Well, now to Kirkland, where EvergreenHealth confirms that one of its doctors contracted coronavirus. They say he's hospitalized in critical but stable condition. We're told that he is an emergency room doctor and also in his 40s. EvergreenHealth has been the epicenter for coronavirus treatment throughout this entire crisis. And now that a doctor is sick, it's really a reminder for the danger that healthcare workers face every day right now in this pandemic. NBC asked Harborview doctor Steve Mitchell how the coronavirus has changed life in the emergency room.
Emergency room personnel are used to jumping in and handling things quickly and efficiently, and it's made us have to pause just a bit to say, not only how do we do what we do, but how do we do it now in a way that's safe for us, because we have to be protective of our healthcare working force as this pandemic continues.
In addition to the doctor at EvergreenHealth, there is a 70-year-old doctor in New Jersey also in the hospital this morning, also in critical condition, fighting the coronavirus.